I had 2 sons with Leon. I had the son that lived for 24 and a half years, that was like the rest of us, had a normal life, run around, loved computers, loved drawing and all of those things. And then one day I just didn't have him. And all I had was somebody in a persistent vegetative state. I can't fault the police investigation, and they can't do any more unless that person that knows what's happened would come forward. He wanted to know who it was. I'd like to know for his sake. And his family would. Please, just tell somebody.
Leon was brutally and callously assaulted to the extent that he was left unconscious outside Grangetown train station. He was left for dead, in essence. I want to appeal to anyone who knows who assaulted Leon on that day. I'm sure now, and I'm sure last time I appealed for information in relation to this case, that the answer is still within the community of Grangetown and Cardiff. There are people undoubtedly who know who assaulted Leon on the 14th of February 2002, and I'd appeal to them directly to contact us. We've had some recent contact this year from anonymous sources providing information about the assault on Leon, and I'd appeal to those people in particular to contact us. Do it for Leon's family, in particular his mother, who is desperate to understand who assaulted her son in such a brutal and barbaric way back in 2002. She deserves closure in this case, she deserves justice in this case, so please, I'm appealing to you directly. If you know information about who assaulted Leon, please contact us.